Are we machines? Let us find out together, because we hear all the time the human mind is mechanical, you are a machine, your biological body acts like a machine. But are we really machines psychologically, or we are completely different? Let us find out together. So to find out, are we machines? We have to observe completely. So as we observe the whole human mankind and one specific human being, we can notice and we know that we all have a body. And this body is biological and sometimes acts like a machine. But it isn't completely like a machine. It is alive. And that is a great difference between machine and a human being. But there is something inside of us that is mechanical, and that is our mind. So the brain inside of our head can also become mechanical. And now let us explore how it is possible that you become mechanical and robotical. So if you observe your whole life and whole human mankind, you will see that we all have a same brain, and this brain collects information constantly. So the more the brain information collects, the more knowledge it builds. But this knowledge, as we know before, and I will link a video here to remind you, is limited. So I will say it briefly, the knowledge that we collect is always limited because it is stored and recollected partially, and also it is translated into a word. So it becomes from something extraordinary, something very small portion of it. And the knowledge can never be complete, it is always limited. So this part of us, as the brain collects all of this information, is becoming mechanical. So naturally, the human beings that are exploring brain, they have decided that this brain can be fixed as a machine, but they have forgot one very important thing, and that is the brain is alive. So if you continue to collect information and constantly think, because the product of all of this experience and collection of memory is thinking. So the more you think, the more mechanical your brain becomes. And seeing this, human beings have decided that they have to be fixed like the machines. So the only way to unravel this is completely different way. You have to stop going in a direction of human consciousness and develop the skill of observation. By developing the skill of observation, you are unraveling everything that you have collected, and only you can do it. Nobody in this world can help you, because if you observe it completely, everything that has happened inside you, you have created this, and it has become the part of you. For example, the trauma. It can happen, maybe the animal attacked you and you left it with a scar, but the trauma, the thought about that is still inside you, the fear inside you, because when you recollect this memory, you are instantly scared and completely paralyzed by this pain. But when you have a little bit space, when you are free to observe, then you can give the total attention to the problem itself, and that is the fear, and face the fear completely. By facing it, you are not escaping and you are not trying to fight it. You're actually melting it away completely from your life. Therefore, you are unraveling your own traumas and your own problems. It is very important to say that this will only work for the human brain that is healthy. We are not talking about brain diseases, when there is sometimes chemistry completely different and you actually have to visit the doctor who will know what to do. We are talking about problems, thinking, traumas, searching for the experience, all the drama that our brain has created in this life. And naturally, to erase all of this, there is only one person, and not only the person, there is only one thing that can solve it, and that is observation, or you. So, you are not only your body, you are your body, your mind, your brain, and all of that is connected with awareness, and this awareness is actually you. So if you look from another perspective, you will see that you are not your body and not mind, not brain. You are awareness itself. But if you observe it deeply, you will see that the awareness has a body, has a mind, has a brain, and all of this is you. So please, develop the skill of observation. Try for yourself to unravel everything that you faced in your life, and you can do it by giving attention to it. When you give attention, you give love, and the result of love is always compassion. So the love, compassion and attention will unravel everything that you have collected from this life, and you can live fresh and alive for a new day. So please, try this for yourself. As always, test it. Give attention in your life, in your relationships, and the relationships are with everything, not just the love relationship, but in everything that you do. See how you act, your subtle reactions, and do not think or comment or compare. Just see them as they are, without the words in your head. Try it for yourself and see the results. Infinite love to all of you. Thank you for inquiring with me.